In this video we are going to look at 10 AI tools which are useful. These tools are far better than many other tools which are paid. So moving on to the first tool in the list. This tool will help you remove any unwanted object, people or text from your pictures. Currently this website downscale your image to clean up for free. If you want better quality you have to buy the Pro version. In this website we can find many more AI websites which are releasing every day. We can also see the AI tools sorted by free and paid and by type. Explore the world of AI with this website. This AI tool will remove the image backgrounds and also can replace the image backgrounds. You can also edit the image like blurring the background. It can also enhance your image by doing AI coloring and edge enhancement. It is completely free. This tool will help create AI wallpapers in seconds with a prompt. It is free to use. Here are some suggestions also for quick use. We have to enter to download 4K version of wallpaper but it's free to use. This website use AI to convert text to speech for free. It has many different voice options and support for more than 15 languages. The generated speech file can be downloaded as MP3.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
We can also adjust speed and pitch of each voice. We can use this audio file anywhere with full copyrights.
It is free to use up to 10,000 characters. It is free to use up to 10,000 characters.
This website will create images based on our prompts. We can create images without any limit. This website use Stable Diffusion image generation engine. It is free, but we can able to create images with decent quality. This website converts images to vectors using AI. It converts JPEG, PNG bitstamps to SVG vectors quickly and easily. The max image pixel size is 2 megapixels. It is now free to use. Vectors when zoomed doesn't lose quality as JPEG images. This website will show the Google search results and ChatGPT answer side by side, so we can use the power of both powerful tools like Google and ChatGPT at a time. This website will generate ChatGPT response very fast compared to slow answering in OpenAI website. This website will generate short video scripts in minutes. We can get the script for video by just typing video title, short video description and keywords. It uses artificial intelligence to generate script based on our settings. ChatDoc is a ChatGPT-based file reading assistant that can quickly extract, locate and summarize information from PDFs, so we can chat with documents and get instant answers with cited sources. Presently the website has an upload limit of 200 pages per PDF, the file must be 36 MB for file. And a total 5 files for every 24 hours, it is free to use.